happened to that AI?
Top 2 reasons you should download
I wasn't an
Monkey.
AI. I was apparently
Monkey.
icy.
Me too.
It,
Pulled out
no,
a
the
cosmetic.
last part was icy.
That cosmetic.
Yeah, the last part was.
Even
But
though
how
I was
is
like,
there two though?
I think these are better. That's not
There
chunky
must be
monkey.
some
Bacon bag. This
explanation.
fucking monkey
It
monkey bag.
couldn't have been icy
And
the
you're
first
able to
few
get
times.
him. And also this is just
Listen,
big
I'm not gonna lie. When did
Let me just
a lot
show
of
those
people-
guys. First of
But
all,
they
this
can't
is the
enforce
little
laws
car. Just where the car at.
and blame him
Oh,
for
where's
killing
the car?
people.
Oh, where the car's right
People
here.
can't kill them.
And
And when he did kill people before that, it
And
wasn't
here's a
in
white
the time
elf
period
monkey.
when the law
stuff like that.
existed, you know? So therefore, I think.
if you
Oh, so he's not a criminal yet, but he killed a ton of people. If somebody tries to kill him again,
Hey, the update should be out by now.
If
it should be.
cameras on off,
He said today.
you collect all the presents.
He hasn't been on in
Presents?
12 hours.
You get dispatch.
So he's either
Dude,
grinding
it's like-
on this update,
So this is
or
awesome.
he just
You can stop.